Hey guys, Justin from SharpTruck. Today I'm going to show you what you get when you buy a dually mud flap kit for a Ram 3500 dually. So we're going to start off, you're going to get a pair of dual rear wheel flaps. These are 21 inches wide by 24 inches long. This set has a stainless steel plate on there, but you do get your choice of logos. You're going to get the custom fit mounting brackets. This is going to give you a nice, good, solid surface to mount the mud flap to. It's custom fit to the Ram trucks. Also, you're going to get the custom fit, no body drilled front mud flaps. These are all custom routed out for your vehicle. You just need to choose between fender flares or no fender flares. But with these three pieces, this is everything you need to get the mud flaps installed on your truck.